Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a review on the Built Bar. I did a poll on my Instagram and a lot of you guys voted yes that you wanted a review, so I'm gonna go ahead and give that to y'all. I did my first order with Built Bar about 2 weeks ago. I think it took like 3 days for my order to come in, so the shipping was super fast. I got to choose from a shit ton of different flavors, and I chose 3 flavors. And then they also sent me something for free. So the 3 flavors that I purchased were cookies and cream. I have them sitting right here, so I'm just gonna read it because I kind of forgot. The first one I got was cookies and cream, and then I got toffee almond, and then I got peanut butter brownie. So I'm gonna rate these by like flavor, texture, protein taste, and how they compare to an actual chocolate bar, since that's what they are always claiming on their website, is that it's basically just like a chocolate bar, not even a protein bar. So first of all, the cookies and cream one, bomb. Bomb as fuck. Like, it's so good. This other YouTuber that I follow, her name is Linda Sun, and she actually introduced me to Built Bars. I was watching her videos and she loves them. She always puts them in her video, in her what she eats in a day. So I went on the website and ordered myself. Now, when she eats her Built Bar, she suggested to warm it up in the microwave for about 10 to 15 seconds. So I did that, and literally it's like a brownie, like a chocolatey brownie, and then whatever flavor you got, you can taste the flavor melted in with the chocolate. It's seriously so delicious. And my boyfriend and he actually tried one the other night without warming it up, and I've only had it warmed up. So he tried it without warming it up, and he said it was still delicious. So I tried one, and it was literally so amazing. Like, it was so chewy, so chocolatey. Even without warming it up, it just tasted like a regular candy bar at that point. So before I even start getting into breaking down the flavors and texture of the ones that I got, I already highly recommend these Built Bars. They're fucking delicious. They have protein in them. I mean, what more do you want? So, first one is the cookies and cream one. This one has 130 calories, 17 grams of protein, and 4 grams of sugar. I'll show you what the bar looks like when you take it out of the box. So it's just like this. Yeah, like I said, this one's the cookies and cream one. This one's my favorite. It doesn't even really taste like cookies and cream. It just tastes like double chocolatey, fudgy, like deliciousness. So this one, warm, it's bomb. Tastes like a brownie. Cold, bomb. Tastes like a double fudge chocolate bar. The texture is just so chewy. It's just so good. And you can't even taste the protein in it, even the aftertaste. I noticed a lot with protein infused products, whether it be shakes, cookies, just a protein food product. There's always that disgusting or weird protein like aftertaste. And I didn't notice that in any of the flavors that I purchased. The next one is the peanut butter brownie. That's what the box looks like. This one is 180 calories, 19 grams of protein, and 5 grams of sugar. This one is probably my second favorite out of the 3 that I got. So it goes cookies and cream, peanut butter brownie, and then the toffee almond out of the 3 I got for me. This one is super good. I actually put peanut butter on top of this one after I warmed it up in the microwave, and chef's kiss, it was so fucking bomb. Like, highly suggest, if you get the peanut butter flavor or any of the chocolate flavors and you like peanut butter, try putting peanut butter on top of the bar after you finish microwaving it, or if you don't microwave it, just like dip it in peanut butter or something. It's so good. Okay, so this one was really good. Texture and everything was the same. I haven't had this one cold yet, but I'm assuming that it would be just as delicious. But it warmed up is super, super good with the peanut butter. Don't forget it. Okay. The last one that I got is the Toffee Almond. Show you the box. This one is 160 calories, 19 grams of protein, and 5 grams of sugar. And I'll show you what the bar looks like. I didn't show you the last bar, but I mean, they all look the same. Yeah, so this one, it wasn't my favorite flavor out of the 3 that I purchased. It was still really good, but I found myself reaching for the cookies and cream a little bit more than this one and the peanut butter one. But this one's actually really good cold. So I had it warmed up. Wouldn't recommend it warmed up. It just like something with whatever they used as the toffee filling, it just tasted not that great to me and my boyfriend also. So the other night we had one cold and it was actually really good. It just tasted like a regular chocolate bar. The toffee part in the middle was super good. So I would definitely suggest whatever bars you get, if you like that kind of warm treat, I would definitely suggest trying the ones you get warmed up and cold just to see how you like it. I even thought about adding some of the like keto, like the protein ice cream with it, just because it's so chocolatey that it could definitely pair super well with an ice cream and be like a whole ass dessert. But anyway, they're really good for after the gym. We usually have one for like our dessert, but it's still healthy and it has protein in it, so we don't even feel guilty about eating it after. But yeah, that's my review on the Built bars. I give a 10 out of 10 for just their customer service, their shipping. I had a percentage off from Linda Sun, the YouTuber that I got the idea to order from. I used her coupon code. I will link her videos I will link her channel in the description box, and I will also put the link that Built Bar gave me for some percent off. I believe it is a 25% off. So if you click the link and order your own set of Built Bars, it should be applied to your purchase, to your order. And if not, I believe if you sign up on their websites, you should get percentage off. But yeah, I'll leave the link, all the links below. And I wanted to go over quickly the extra item that they sent me for free. I haven't tried this item yet. The only reason I haven't tried it is because it's kind of like I wouldn't say a pre-workout, but that's what I would use it for. And I don't really take pre-workouts before I go to the gym. I don't really like them that much. And I feel like I have enough I have enough willpower to power through my workouts usually. But they sent me this. It's the Built Energy plus Protein Power Through Anything mixed box. And basically they look like this. This one is the chocolate coconut flavor. And I believe you just like rip off the top right here. And you just kind of like eat it. It's like a pudding consistency, it feels like. Like you can just kind of like, you know, suck it through here and like just eat it before the gym. But yeah, they sent me these flavors. I do, they sent me, they actually sent me some other flavors. I didn't even realize. I thought they were all chocolate coconut. But yeah, so they sent me that, and then they sent me, peanut butter honey. Ooh, boy. I love peanut butter, okay? So literally you put peanut butter in anything, I'm gonna have that hoe. So now that I see these peanut butter honey ones, I'm like, maybe I will take this before the gym tomorrow. Okay, so I'll do like a quick little follow-up probably on my Instagram account, which I will also link below. And I'll probably do just like a quick little review on the energy and protein packet things, just because this flavor sounds bomb as fuck. But yeah, and then I'll let you guys know like how I feel and stuff. This one has 15 grams of collagen protein in it, 100 milligrams of caffeine, 10,000% vitamin B12, and 500 milligrams of beta alanine. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I think I'm gonna go ahead and just like end the video right here, period. But yeah, let me know how you liked this video in the comment section. Also, let me know if you're thinking about purchasing Built Bar and if you're going to go ahead and go through with it. Let me know what flavors you get. And yeah, also let me know if you've tried Built Bar already and tell me what you think. All right, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.